Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Squarespace extensions for sales reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Squarespace extensions for sales reporting, start by logging in to your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu on the left side of the screen. Select the settings option from the menu. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the extensions section. Click on extensions to view available integrations. Locate the sales reporting extension you wish to authorize. Click on the extension to open its details page. Read the extension description to ensure it meets your needs. Find the Authorize button and click on it. A pop-up window will appear requesting necessary permissions. Review the permissions carefully to understand what data will be accessed. If you agree, click on the Allow button to proceed. You may be prompted to log in to the third-party service linked to the extension. Enter your credentials and click Sign In to continue. Upon successful login, you may return to the Squarespace interface. Confirm any additional permissions or settings specific to the extension. After completing the authorization process, return to the Extensions menu. Verify that the extension is now listed as active on your dashboard. To configure settings for your sales reporting, click on the extension again. Adjust any parameters needed to tailor the report to your preferences. Save your changes to ensure they take effect. Review your sales reports regularly to analyze your business performance. That concludes the authorization process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.